Chef Dawg. Today we're gonna do some Meat District Steakhouse. This is made with Angus, chuck, and brisket. This is going for about 16 bucks, 8 of them. So $2 per patty with brisket and chuck in it. I think I'm gonna be a huge fan. So these are 3rd pound beef patties. See, that thing's sealed airtight. Yeah, after opening that, well, it says it's good until, we bought this, what, 2 days ago? So it's good for about a week based off of the time frame it said that I'd either have to freeze it. I'm gonna cook them on the iron skillet, put a little bit of oil there in the bottom of it, throw 4 of them in there. I'm gonna cook it pretty hot. Shouldn't take long. We're actually gonna be cooking them today, everybody. Not just heating stuff up like some of you like to comment. I didn't set these out to room temperature. I would recommend you do. I took it right out of the fridge. Generally, we like to at least get our meat to room temperature, but oh well. Don't hold it against me. My wife's hungry. What you generally do is you wait till that juice starts to come up through the middle of it. That's at least what I do, and then you flip it. Turned it down just a little bit. I don't want to overcook it. But once it starts to bleed through the middle, once you start to see that pop up, that's generally when I flip them. But again, I'm not a chef. Oh, better turn that on. Catch the house on fire.
10 seconds later.
Let's see what we got as far as, I mean, this is gonna ton of 25 grams of protein, 2 carbs, 30 grams of fat, you know, deliciousness. Now it does have a rub on it, it says. It's a garlic peppercorn rub. So there it is. Now while it's doing that, I got some buns in the old air fryer. Cook those now. Love that, just turn it on. It'll do its own thing. Love it. Oh, it's getting close. I'm gonna flip it. Yeah, I don't know. So that was within a couple minutes. I, probably had them on here 2 minutes? 2-3 minutes, flipped them. Okay, now in this house, that really sucks it and does send it out. Some of yours might actually shoot it right back in, so be careful, because you can see, got a lot of smoke going. All right, I think these are done. 3 minutes on each side, probably, something like that. And some of you out there, I'm sure will like them a little bit more pink in the middle. Okay, so there you go. I'm just gonna taste the patty. I'm not gonna put it on the bun and all that stuff, because I want to actually just get the true taste of the meat before I put a bunch of crap on it. But let's test this out. Let's see if I did it long enough. Got just a tad bit of pink, which is probably, in my opinion, perfect. I'm gonna go with that. I'm gonna say that's probably perfect. Yeah, I love it. It's a big surprise. If you watch this, I like most things. Like it a lot. I'd absolutely eat this again and again. Yeah, they're good. So for 16 bucks for 8 of them, think it's worth it? I'd say yeah. We've actually gone to our local butcher and actually had them combine that and do it for us and make patties out of it. So good. But you can do this right from Costco now. You don't have to go do that. Okay. You picked it out.
I picked it out.
You tell me what you like that? Just a little bit of pink?
Sure.
There you go. That's yours. That's too big. It came just like that. Had a rub on it.
That rub is amazing.
Oh, okay. You like it?
Mm-hmm. I really like it. The flavor is amazing.
Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. Mm-hmm. You like that more than just your regular old burger?
Yeah, it's not a McDonald's. It's not a McDonald's burger.
Definitely not a McDonald's burger.
No. These are good. If you're a burger person, you are going to like it. For sure.
Why'd you pick it?
Because I'm like, we got to share this.
Well, why though? Is it because it was the chuck and brisket, or because it had cool colors?
Probably because we had it with the glaze.
All right.
And theirs were so yummy. So yeah.
Okay.
This is a good one, guys.
Well, guess we like it here at Chef Dawg. We're giving it a thumbs up. Well, it's our daughter's birthday tonight, so we're gonna get ready for that. And I'm gonna eat this, and I don't know what you're eating this too with us, because I got buns ready. No? Probably. Oh, good. All right. Okay. Well, it looks like we have dinner tonight, folks. Okay, hey, thanks for watching Chef Dawg. Remember, like, subscribe, all that other fun stuff, and have a good one. Bye-bye. But remember, everybody, I'm actually not a chef. I'm actually a home builder slash... Somebody did mention we don't we don't bring the dog into this enough. Well, there's our dog. This dog sleeps right between my wife and I every night. We love her more than anything in the world. Her name's Tenny. That's after Tennessee. Anyway, there you go. Like my new beard? Growing that out. Going on a week now. Wife hates it. I love it. Me and my buddies that I hang out with, we do some CrossFit. We're all growing them out to see how manly we can become. Hey, maybe we'll microwave them. I don't know. What do you guys think? Should we?